Hi parents and guardians, this is Miss South again. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about Class Dojo to hopefully encourage you to sign up. So on open house, I will give every parent a copy of this paper. The only difference is it will have your student's name up here at the top, so please make sure I give you the correct one. All that you need to do to access this application is to go on your phone to your app store and download Class Dojo. Once you have downloaded the app, you need to open it up and select Parent as the option. And then you just need to enter the code that is printed on your student's paper. Every student receives a code that is unique to them, so this will not be their code. Again, they will have a different number based on who they are. This is not what you will see on your screen per se, but I did want to show you that once I put in all the student names, this will be filled with all of the students in my class, and they will each have a little character. They can personalize that at home. If they have time at school, they can change it there as well. Up here will be their points, and I will update that weekly. If they are missing homework or classwork, they could lose points, and I think that seems to be a really good way for parents to know if their students are missing anything or turning anything, not turning anything in before it ends up affecting their incentives. The other two features right now that we have access to are stories and messages. Again, yours will probably look a little bit different in the application, but the stories is just a way for me to send pictures. Sometimes if there's a paper flyer that's coming home, I might take a picture of it and send it on here just in case it doesn't make it home. But I do like to send pictures of what's happening in the class as often as I can. The kids really get a kick out of that, and it also gives you a way to talk to them about some of the cool things that we're doing in school, hopefully. Another part of Class Dojo is the messages, and I will send those home periodically just as another way to remind you of different things that are happening in school, important dates, important projects or homework deadlines, and other events that you might need to know about that are easy to forget when we've got a million things going on. So I hope that you will take the time to download Class Dojo. It's a great way for you to stay in touch with your students' class, and also it is completely anonymous. So if I send you a message, no one else in the class will have access to your cell phone number. I don't even have access to your cell phone number. It just gives me your name as a parent and lets me know that you received the message. So again, I hope that you'll take the time to sign up for it.